Rock, baby, rock. Rock it to my heart. Hey, yeah, yeah.
Aiza Sigera, our defending champion. Aiza, kamusta na?
Sana katangamayan kaso may kuryente.
Bagsak!
Okay.
Aiza si Jingy, our challenger.
Idol!
Ay.
Galing, ano? Galing
Oo,
kasi.
may 1 mil.
Well, galingan yung dalawa dahil isa sa inyo ay pwedeng manalo ng 1 million pesos! Dito lang sa The Final Countdown! It's the final countdown! Oh! Okay guys, manuhan po tayo. Let's play! Freddy Aguilar.
Sino ba? Ako?
Ikaw.
Anak.
Song number 1. 2001, Diana Krall, The Look of Love.
I can hardly wait to hold you, feel my arms around you. How long I have waited just to love you.
Now that I have found you.
Tumpak! 1 point tayo para kay Aiza. Song number 2. 1995, Nora Honor, Kahit Konting Awa.
Sino mapalad? Sino ang kaawa-awa? Kami bang halos ang buhay ay
Inialay sa bansa.
Nangangamoy 1 million na naman! Dalawang kanta na lang natumpak. 1 milyon na naman po tayo, mga kaibigan. Song number 3 para kay Aiza. 1979, Barbara Streisand and Donna Summer, No More Tears.
Enough is enough is enough. I can't go on. I can't go on no more now. Enough is enough is enough. I want him out. I want him out.
Je ne fais joint.
Okay, para kay Jingy, same song.
Enough is enough is enough. I can't go on. I can't go on no more now. Enough is enough is enough. I want him out. I want him out. Now, baby.
Ang tumpak na lyrics pong hinahanap natin ay That Door Now. Okay, manuhan po ulit tayo. Anita Baker.
Sweet love.
Tumpak. Okay, para kay Jinky, song number 4. 1997, Alana Davis, 32 Flavors.
Squint your eyes and look closer. I'm not between you and your ambition. I'm not poster girl with no poster. I'm a 32 flavors.
And in some.
Okay, para kay Aiza, same song.
Squint your eyes and look closer. I'm not between you and your ambition. I am a poster girl with no poster. I am 32
Flavors
flavors.
and then some.
Tumpak! My goodness! Song number 5. 1989, Jose Marie Chan. Constant Change.
Have we outgrown our Peter Pans and wings? We've simply grown too old for tales of knights and kings. 'Cause life's a constant change.
And I don't know the song. Pagod na ako.
Merong gustong mahimatay.
Pagod na pagod na.
Ay, nako. Okay, same song for Jinky.
Have we outgrown our Peter Pans and wings? We've simply grown too old for tales of knights and kings. 'Cause life's a constant change.
And I would...
Hey, ang tumpak na lyrics pong hinahanap natin ay And Nothing Stays the Same. Si Jinky hindi na makakahabol kay Aiza para sa title. Manuhan ulit tayo ngayon. John Mayer.
Your body is a wonderland.
Okay. Para sa 1 milyon ulit, mga kaibigan. Song number 6. 1999, Leila Caleb, Shakespeare in Love.
Teaching torches to burn bright. She's hanging on the cheek of night. A snowy dove trooping with rose. He never saw.
True beauty till tonight.
Thank you very much. Super nag-enjoy po ako dito.
We enjoyed also. Thank you for joining. Texters, mag-text na kayo para manalo kayo ng 100,000 pesos. Aiza, ikaw pa rin ang Singing Bee Champion. Babalik ka to defend your title.
Teka lang. Bago ang lahat, gusto ko lang sana na hindi na bumalik. Pwede ba?
Hindi ka na babalik, ayaw mo na mag-champion.
Kasi ganito yun, kanina umaga, nagdasal ako eh. Sabi ko, kung para sa akin to, para sa akin. Pero alam mo yun, parang may feeling ka lang na sinabi sa akin na kapag nakuha ko man, if ever, tama na yun. Para ibang tao naman.
Galing! Kukunti lang po yung taong ganyan na hindi greedy. Kaya palakpakan po natin sa Aiza. You're a great champion!
Thank you.
Aiza, isa kang inspirasyon lalo na sa kabataan.
At saka, maraming salamat ho sa opportunity dahil sakto. Actually, timing dahil yung kapatid ko nanonood siya ngayon sa ospital, may sakit ngayon. So, para sa'yo to, kuya. So, thank you very much po for giving me this chance.
Thank you rin, Aiza. Thank you. Maraming salamat uli sa'yo, Aiza. Uuwi ka with 2,080,000 pesos! Woo! Di bali, 5